guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box to share with you. This one is called OCEANISTA and it is a seasonal box full of beachy goodness. So I have not opened this yet. In fact, I kept it in the brown paper packaging because I thought it was so cute. There's a little OCEANISTA stamp and then it says hashtag hug your mail carrier. I don't know why, but I thought that was adorable. So anyway, let me open this up. Okay, the actual box, just as cute if not cuter. Okay, so this box is $85 a season, so it's not monthly. And I think this month's value, they said, was like over $200, 230 something like that. And the theme is the girl from Ipanima, which I thought was a super fun theme. Okay, so let's see, we have a little booklet here that tells us about some of the stuff. That's another thing, when you sign up, they have you fill out a profile form that, you know, asks for your shoe size and your clothing size and other various things. So I'm excited to see what is in here. Oh, I see a hat. Oh my gosh, oh, I'm excited about this. I love hats. Always need good beachy hats. OCEANISTA, that's super cute. That's a good hat, I like that a lot. Very cute. Appropriately floppy, not so big. Fits my big old head, I love it. I loves it. What, pray tell, is this? A little wrap, a little shawl thingy. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love this. This is really nice. I think in the book I saw, is this the same? Yeah, look, okay, see the front picture? I think she's wearing it right there. So I think you can wear this multiple ways. Yep, okay, convertible skirt dress. So you could tie it around your waist, you could tie it around your neck to wear like a dress. You could, you know, wear it over your shoulders like this. You could do all sorts of things with it. I love it, I love stuff like this. See, you can tie it around. So cute. Ooh, some nail polish. China Glaze in the color Beach Buff, of course, right? That's a really pretty color though. I really like this, kind of a, it's almost mauve-y, but it's got some sparkles in there. I like that a lot. Brazilian Camu oil, body and hair dry oil. I'm gonna spray this on my leg right now. Ooh, it smells good. Kind of like a fruity smell. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. I'm loving this box. Is this a bag? It is. I love these kind of bags. These are so great to take to the beach because you put all your stuff in there and then all the sand falls out of the bottom. And plus these are perfect for, you know, taking to the farmer's market or just the grocery store, whatever. I love these kind of bags. Sunglasses maybe? Okay. I'm picky about my sunglasses. They feel very lightweight, that's nice. Oh, yes. Oh my God, I love these. These are so cute, right? These are my style. They're not so funky that I feel like, you know, not everybody would like them. Yeah, these are perfect. And they fit my face really well too. So I love these. They're very lightweight, they're comfortable. Oh, and they're polarized. That's nice. And I really like this case. This is a really good case. It's kind of, you know, I like the triangle cases. I think they're cute. What do we have here? Ooh. Oh, wow. That's actually really lovely. It's a necklace. But look at that. Isn't that really pretty? I love it. I'm gonna have to read the thing and figure out what that is. Okay, so there's a whole thing in here about the artist who made that necklace, and it is genuine surf tumbled SeaGlass pendant necklace. Okay, so there was another note in my card, and I believe that it said that the pendant is probably over 50 years old. So it's, you know, actual hand-picked from the sand of Puerto Rico. Okay, designed and handcrafted in California. No two pendants are alike. Wrapped with 0.925 sterling silver wire. 100% fine Italian sterling silver snake chain. That's cool, and it kind of shows you a picture of, you know, the different ones, what they can look like. So that's really cute. I really like it. It's very pretty, and I love that it's, you know, beach glass. That's kind of cool. But wait, there's more. Flip-flops. Ooh. Actually, these have some weight to them. Hang on, let me take these out. Okay, just some nice rubber black flip-flops. They have, you know, a nice sole. Looks like they've got some support and cushion and, you know, some little bumpy things to massage your arch. Huh, let me try these on. Can you see my foot? This is so awkward. They're super comfortable. I was afraid because of the rubber that they might, you know, be a little uncomfortable, but I don't think they will be. These are nice. Look at the bottoms of them. Isn't that cute? I like the design. Wow, what an amazing, amazing box. This is so fun. Okay, let me look through this and see if there's anything else I should tell you about. Okay, we discussed the wrap, which is super cute and fun. We discussed the necklace. The flip-flops are eco-friendly and recyclable, made in the USA, one-piece construction, antimicrobial, premium arch support with soothing massage beds, waterproof, machine washable, sculpted heel cup, slip resistant. Okay, cool. Okay, so the Brazilian Camu body plus hair dry oil can use on all skin and hair types, and it's just nourishing and smells good. Yeah. Oh, look, and then there's some recipes. Brazilian chopped salad. That looks fantastic. That looks lovely. Look at that salad. Don't you guys want to eat that? That looks so good to me. Oh my gosh. There's hearts of palm in there. Lots of tomatoes, avocado, yummers. Oh, and then they have a rewards program where when you buy stuff, you get sand dollars, and then you can use those sand dollars to spend in their online shop. And they have, you know, lots of different jewelry and other items that you may or may not have found in your box or other boxes. And then in fall, good golly, Miss Bali. That's cute. I love that they give you, you know, kind of a sneak of what it's going to be. So Bali is going to be the next theme, but this was the girl from Ipanima. So super cute. So I will leave the information from this company, their Instagram and all of that stuff in the description box, as well as any sort of discount codes, referral links I might have. I can't remember if they gave me one or not. Anyway, this box is amazing and so fun and so perfect for summer. I know, you know, I mean, obviously I live in LA, so I like the beach themed sort of stuff. So, all right, well, let me know what you guys thought of this box. I mean, this is definitely new to me. I hadn't heard of it. I don't know how long they've been around, to tell you the truth, but I'm thinking so far so good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.